Take full control of your hygiene equipment with eLink by Elpress, the easy solution for quick adjustments and troubleshooting. No more wasting time. eLink lets you access device programming, read diagnostics, change settings and run tests, all from your phone. It comes as a standard feature in our hygienic entrances. With its own Wi-Fi connection, you're not reliant on external networks. Whether you're a reseller, customer or engineer, eLink gives you the access you need to keep everything running smoothly. Do you want even more insights into your hygiene procedures? Then there's eCloud, a cloud add-on connected to your eLink. It connects all linked machines to a dashboard, providing real-time notifications, cloud statistics, and remote monitoring. Elpress engineers can tailor this to your company's needs, giving you a custom solution.